We're back. Number
Hello.
7. Yay. All right. So Lance weighed 180 pounds at the start of football camp and weighed 172 pounds at the end of camp.
Oh, so he went down. That's great.
Yeah. Chase gained 6 pounds during football camp. Or it's all muscle. Don't worry, guys.
All muscle. Got it.
Thank goodness.
Not all the spaghetti.
No, spaghetti. Which of the following shows whose weight changed the most during training camp? Okay, so Lance, it says he lost weight. Well,
He went from
doesn't say that, but we
180
said that.
to 172. So we got to figure out how much he lost, which is great.
Okay, so if he started at 180 and he is now at 172, I feel like if I subtract those, it's going to tell me the difference, right?
Definitely.
Okay, so subtract. It looks like I am going to get 8 pounds.
Okay, but he lost it. So let's talk about, do you think it's going to be a negative or a positive, Miss McCall?
So I feel like if he's losing weight, then it's going to be negative,
Right,
It's
because
going
he's
down.
going down. Yes,
Okay.
so I agree. -8.
So -8 for Lance. And then Chase gained 6 pounds, so 6, and he gained it, so I'm thinking positive.
Yeah, just
We'll
keep
leave
it
that,
positive. Yep.
We'll leave that one positive.
Nuts for
Okay.
Chase.
So then,
But again, this one's an inequality, so we're going to compare them.
right? Okay.
But it says whose weight changed. That's one of those keywords we talked about the other day, because he's changing them. So we got to see which one.
Okay, so when they talk about change, I feel like I always look at where they started and who like just went the furthest from where the start was.
From wherever 0, kind
Right,
of.
and it doesn't matter like if it went up or down. No one, it doesn't
Right.
matter.
It's
It's
just change.
how far they went.
Yep.
Okay, so since it's one of those words where I'm not really worried about the positive or negative, I feel like this is when we use absolute value,
Correct.
right?
Totally.
Okay, so when I look here then, it says for A, -8 is less than 6, which is true, but
Agreed.
we're
But
talking about change.
We're talking about change in their absolute values, so I don't think that one would count.
Yeah. Okay, so B, the absolute value of -8 is less than the absolute value of 6. Okay, hold up. I need to
I
process
agree.
this a
So
little.
the absolute value of -8 is going to be +8.
Okay.
And then the absolute value of 6 is going to be 6. But that statement there isn't true.
Right, 8 is not less than 6.
No.
So that doesn't make
So
sense.
that doesn't work for that one.
So get rid of B. Okay, so C, -8 is greater than 6. Well,
Not even
no.
true.
No, get
Nope.
rid of that one.
Huh. Hopefully it's D.
Yeah, hopefully. Let's see. So the absolute value of -8,
We said was 8.
right, which is 8, is
Yep.
greater
Oh.
than the absolute value of 6.
Which is 6.
6. 8 is greater than 6.
Yep, it works perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So D is our answer.
Yeah, and then you're going to go ahead and move to the next question. That's a similar one. Make sure when it talks about change, you're doing the absolute values. And then make sure your inequality still will be true for those situations.
Yeah, solve the absolute value first and then compare those numbers.
Yep, definitely.